Have you ever felt like your webcam might be spying on you? I know it sounds creepy, but it actually happens. The good news is you can easily disable it in Windows 11. And I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a minute. Alright, here's what you need to do. First, open your Start menu and head over to Settings. From there, click on Bluetooth and Devices. And then scroll down until you see Camera. Now, this is a part that surprises a lot of people. You will see a list of apps that currently have access to your webcam. Sometimes you'll recognize them, but other times you will see apps you don't really use or trust. So if you don't want an app to use your webcam, just click on it and tap Disable. And if you want to go all out and completely lock down your webcam, you can disable camera access altogether. Either way, you're taking back control of your privacy. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've stopped apps from secretly spying on you in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and follow for more quick Windows hacks.